Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Helene is a very dangerous... Number 687, effective until 8 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Helene is a very dangerous and large major hurricane situation overview.